So I will just show you that how much time it took to create an offer and how quickly you can also create an offer. So that I want to show you. Yes. First you tell me how many of you are really interested to see this, how I have created that offer and closed 8 lakh worth in one single day without being present there. I'll directly jump into that offer. What was that offer and how I have created? I went to ChatGPT, I think 11th of August, and ideally I was not getting time because I was wrapping up everything for these 4 days. I have to be free. So I went to ChatGPT and I gave a prompt. Definitely that was a very rough prompt. Something came into it is always it came into my mind somewhere that there should be a freedom offer for all of the architects and interior designers to transform their designs and their business integrating AI. So it came into my mind that there should be something related to freedom. So I went to ChatGPT, and before that I gave some the Kutima offer and all. So ChatGPT knows me very well right now. So I went and I roughly spoken to ChatGPT. As you can see, I think here I was speaking.
What's your niche?
My niche is AI for architects and interior designers. And my level 1 in everything and anything related to design transformation in AI. And my level 2, everything and anything to transform your business, launch or scale up. And my L3 recently launched in the month of January, but I was not doing. So this 15th August actually I got 4 diamonds. So and that is for a little bit of done with you and done for you kind of thing for AI, agentic AI for their transforming their business. So that's my niche. I just asked ChatGPT, I will share that prompt with you. I just asked ChatGPT that, okay, this is a time to make an offer. See, now it's time to launch the campaign. So I have given step-by-step things that what I want. And first I asked for the strategy. Okay, the first step I asked for a strategy that what can I offer. And I created 2 offers in 10 minutes, but one offer failed and one offer worked. So since last 2 days we were learning that we have to try and we have to test. So exactly same thing happened. I created one offer for my cold clients. I have around 30,000 plus designers who have attended my level 1 but did not join. So I tried with them, but and I know that was my fault. I could not give more time. I should have started 7 days back. I would have get a lot of result. But that I just did something like that. I wanted to throw something. So that failed. But another one I did for my warm and hot. That was for my silver members. I gave an upgrade offer. Okay. So to a diamond or gold, and with a blocking amount, not a very detailed one. And in that, as you can see, first I asked that give me the strategy. Then I asked you give me all the WhatsApp messages related to that. And then I asked for the mails, whatever I want to share, as you can see. And then what are the bonuses I planned? I have talked about that. These are the bonuses I want to give. And then I asked even for the it has given me the prompts, and don't worry, I'm not going through detailed prompt. I will share a prompt. That's the surprise for you. I will share a generic prompt because this is for my product. So as you can see that it has given me the diamond offer, diamond upgrade offer. See, gold freedom upgrade bonus tag. This is the entire bonus tag, and then it has given me the diamond freedom bonus tag also. So step by step, I started from I think at least 10 chat I have done, and I was done with everything. Everything was ready. Even designing my landing page, what prompt I should use in some other AI. I am using Lovable for the time being, but now you don't have to use, you have Flexi agent, so they will do it. Or even if you have Flexi funnel, you can take this prompt and give it there and they can do it. But I was using Lovable that time. And then I have designed both the offer banner. First I designed the logo, this 10x in 1 hour. So I called everybody, all of my community on 13th of August. I sent messages on 12th of August. Whatever messages was given by ChatGPT, I just added one WhatsApp. I created one WhatsApp group, and there Gopal's, my guru comes. I created one WhatsApp group that is a 10x in 1 hour. And then I have created the logo around it. I have created the WhatsApp group, and then I added that WhatsApp link, and I just sent 2-3 WhatsApp messages and mail to ask everyone just to join that WhatsApp group first. Something will be there. And 13th August, I did a 1 hour webinar with my silver and gold. And during that 1 hour webinar, I directly jumped into offer. I said it is an offer webinar, and I showed them some AI demos. that what are there in gold and diamond. Half an hour I showed them the demo, and directly I said at the end I am going to give you an offer, and that is not active right now. That will be activated 10 a.m. on 15th of August, and it will be open till 10 p.m. of 15th of August. Whoever decides, you have to jump in. Now, what is the pricing? I have talked about clearly that my gold price is 69,999 plus GST 70,000. But during webinar on day 2, I give it in 32,000 rupees. So I said that will be lesser than that, but I don't know what is going to be like that. Finally, I gave it in 27,999. And diamond is it is written like 3,999 for a year, but I said it will be definitely 50% or more discount will be there, so it comes around 1.5 lakh rupees. And I said like that, and then I have given. Now this is the landing page. I created Freedom. The landing page name is also very interesting. Freedom.AI Design Premier. That's my hub. AI Design Premier.com. Freedom.AIDesignPremier.com. So with an AI vibe coding, you can do it in FlexiFunnel and Flexi Agents. I've done it simple, done it in Lovable, and I asked it to activate all the links exactly at 10 a.m. and deactivate all the links at 10 p.m. and it did that. Now it is not active. See, the links are not active. Nobody can join now, right? So it was deactivated. I was sitting here, I was listening to Gopal that time. So that happened, and from this, this is the landing page. The entire prompt to design this landing page generated by ChatGPT, the logo generated by ChatGPT, the banner generated by ChatGPT, the images, whatever I have added here, generated by ChatGPT. If I have added anything at all, okay, here I did not. I did that for L1, cold one. So cold one I have given a start AIDesignPremier.com. Okay, that was the. But this failed basically, no one joined, 0. And I sent it to 30,000 people, around 300-400 people came into the WhatsApp group, 30 people joined, and till the end they were, because I could understand, they are already not my customer, they could not understand in 1 hour. So they need a longer time, like I do 2-day, 3-day, 5-day kind of thing. So, but I didn't have time, I had to come here. So these are all the images has been generated by AI, and as you can see, all these images, see. And I've given that at 9,999. Normally I give that in 12,999 plus GST. Anyway, so no one joined. That was done. So can you have that all the offer, all these things done in half an hour to at 1 hour maximum on 12th, because I was in a hurry that I have to wrap up everything. So that's the thing. And then I was sleeping. And then what I did, let me just show you this dashboard. I got 10 sales. And I got around 2 lakh immediate collection on that day, because one directly paid gold did not go because he missed that time. So directly sent me GPay and gold, signed up gold, and 5 more gold applications. Okay, one more thing in offer. I said that if it is an instant decision, I try to give a blocking amount first. Like yesterday also we did that. So gold was blocked by 4,999. Rest of the balance we have to collect once I am back. And diamond was blocked with a 19,999, so 20,000 rupees. And so 4 diamond blocked, and there is a time limitation, as you can see, 22nd August, 25th August. There are 7 days and 10 days time period. So I give a blocking this time period, so that within that they have to book a call with me, and they have to do. Then what I did sitting here, once the offer was done, I came to my Telegram. I already connected my Telegram, WhatsApp, everything with my AI agent. I mean, I have a common agent where whatever I tell it to do, it does, and that I have named as Somi. The bot name is Somi. So as you can see, I came to Somi, and on 15th of August by afternoon, I have given a message after downloading that list. Can you see that list? 10 people who joined. I've downloaded, and I have written that add this 9 list who has registered for gold and diamond, or somebody has also paid for the gold directly, and send these 10 people, and I've given the data. Okay, I've attached a file that send them welcome mail with saying thank you and all, whatever, just one line welcome mail, and send them an instant WhatsApp message in their DM. And you can see that it has sent all the jobs was done. Can you see that there are 10 people, they have received all the things, and immediately people started answering, because it was coming like from my mobile. It was coming from my email, it was coming from my mobile, because I have added my, connected my Google's workspace, and my Telegram and my WhatsApp. So from WhatsApp, 10 people received a message. Same message with a customized their name. Hi, Azim, thank you for joining. And once I will be back. So right now also before I go for the airport or maybe sitting in airport, I will write once again. I can do that here. I don't have time, that's why. I have to write just, okay, now you can, you send WhatsApp messages and mail to all these 10 people saying that, okay, 19th we are resuming, be ready for the balance payment. Have you booked my one-on-one call? If not, this is my call booking. So that message I am going to send them. I'll just write one line and all the 10 mails will go, all the 10 WhatsApp will go automatically. So that's the power of automation, and that's the process of offer, how we create. And just let me share last one thing that can boost you up all, and that is, and here you can see 1,17,000 because people paid directly to my GPay also because they missed the time and they were scared that the seat will go. So, and have you noticed that I have created a timer and a sticky note? These are very important. I wanted to talk about this also, that landing page, and I have created a this by this, the number of seats left, and I opened for 20 seats only. So it was showing whenever people will come, it will change. So I have connected in such a way that the number will change. So people will have that, that's the FOMO. So they will have that, oh, somebody else is signing up, so I can miss that one. So sorry, I am giving all our internal, because all of us, we are in the same business, so this is our strategy. And I have one gift for all of you. I have created one master prompt to create offer, which maybe you can generate your AI agent inside that here also, or you can directly use it in your ChatGPT or somewhere. And you can scan this QR code, and anyone, if you can tell me that if it is working or not, because I just created before coming here. If you can see, there is a master prompt, fillable prompt, where you need to fill up your niche and you need to fill up your offer which you want to make. Like last time I made Buddha Purnima, now this is a freedom. Now once I will go back, I will make maybe something for 25th December or Rakhi Purnima, Diwali, Puja, Dasera. There are multiple offer things are there. So you can fill it up. You go through. It's a very detailed prompt. Either you can create an AI agent using that same prompt. That AI agent will ask those things like Karthik said inside that agent, Flexi agent, or you can directly use this prompt by filling it up, and you will definitely get a lot of things out of it. So thank you very much.